Hey everybody, it's game time, and today I have another box of 2018 Chronicles. If you've noticed a recurring theme on this channel, you're pretty perceptive. And it is, I like to open Chronicles 2017 and 18. I'm already looking forward to 19, to be honest with you. This is the last box I have. I don't think I have any more coming in. I do have a box of 2017 still coming in, but I may take a break with the 18. I have opened a lot of the blasters and I've opened a lot of the hobby boxes, so I may cool my jets a little bit and turn my focus on to some of the other new stuff that's coming out, some of the new football stuff that's about to hit the market. Let's get into this. My beloved Ohtani has been making lots of appearances for me in this product, and look at that. Speak his name and there he is. So Ohtani score is my first card. A Josh Donaldson press proof to $2.99. Clint Frazier rookies and stars rookie. Devers Crusade rookie. Mayha optic hollow silver parallel. Here is a Juan Gonzalez to 35 autograph, pink Spectra autograph to 35. A Juan Gon, very nice, very nice. Andrew Stevenson rookie status, and a Victor Robles illusions. That is a good start. Yeah, that Juan Gonzalez is a very nice card. Super short print. Super duper. Alright, here we're starting off with an Adrian Beltre. And then we have a Robles base rookie. Clint Frazier Classics rookie. A rather dirty Buster Posey Prism. Oh, here's a sweet card. I love the colored select cards, and this is a Reese Hoskins, I think orange, or is it gold? I think it's orange. $1.99. Beautiful. Sweet card. Austin Hayes is my Spectra. You got one of these, I think, per box, so it's nice to get a rookie card there. Devers status and Kingery illusions. Alright, starting off with Mayha, rated rookie, Donruss, a Corey Kluber base, Bryce Harper Classics, Goldschmidt Prism, Bryce Harper Select. Then we have a Chance Cisco to $99, and it is an autograph. Rookie Reserve on card autograph. Chance Cisco, Francisco. Anybody know what movie that's from? Francisco. Okay, Chance Cisco. I'll shut up, sorry. I phased out there for a second. Nick Williams, and here is a Devers to $99. Illusions, I guess black? No, blue. Maybe that's blue. Yeah, that's blue. Huh. Nice Devers parallel rookie. Alright, 3 more packs. And should have 2 more hits. Altuve score. Here's a Bryce Harper. Let me set this down. Y'all know how bad I am about dropping cards, so let me just set it down. A Prestige parallel to 99. So that's cool. 2 good parallels there. Arenado Prestige. Sweet. A Glaber Hopper Prism rookie. Yeah, that's Good looking card. This is numbered to 299. Eric Fetty, Optic rated rookie. Here's a Correa neon Spectra neon blue. That is $2.99. Brian Anderson, studio rookie, and Reese Hoskins Illusions. Alright. Grab out these last 2 packs. Break these open and we're gonna call it a day. Although I would love to open this stuff all day and all night, but I guess the fun has to end somewhere. Justin Bohr, Bryce Harper, Prestige Verdugo. Oh goodness, look at this beauty. To 149, an Andujar Contenders Cracked Ice. Look at how beautiful that card is. That is absolutely gorgeous. Man, I pull a lot of Andujar stuff. I hope he's a legend because I have tons of his cards. McMahon, Phoenix. No, I think I got a Woodruff. Yeah, a Woodruff autograph, $2.99. I pull lots of his stuff too. Not necessarily thrilled about that, but can't have everything. Here's a Chris Flexen. I have not pulled many of these. I'm wondering if this is a short print. I think this is my first Flexen card out of all the boxes I've opened. And a Devers Studio. This is definitely my first. I'm going to check into that because definitely seems strange that that would be the only card of his that I've pulled. Alright guys, last pack. I think we should have one more hit left, right? Let's see. The Juan Gonzalez, the Chance Cisco, the Woodruff. Yeah, there should be one more hit. Stanton Score, Austin Hayes season, stat line season to 500. Goldschmidt, Rosario Contenders Optic, Yadier Molina Select. Please tell me this is an autograph. It's not an autograph, but it's still a great card. To 35 Glaber Rookie Collection jersey with 2 pinstripes. Super short print. Awesomeness. Wow. Cool, cool, cool. Last 2 cards are an Aaron Judge Illusions and a Corey Seager Status. Oh, Chronicles, you done me good again. You done me right. The Chance Cisco it's to 99. The Woodruff was me. I think these 2 cards, well, there's 3 cards, a couple of cards that really stand out here that are not hits. This Andujar and this Hoskins are something to behold. Then there was the Glaber Hyper, which is cool. The Harper to 99 and the Devers Illusions rookie to 99. Trying to see, is this corner alright? Maybe a little bit of a ding on that. Then the Glaber jersey to 35 and the Wine Gone to 35. Another sweet box of Chronicles. Alright, everybody, please subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate everybody who takes the time to watch my videos each day. It really means a lot that somebody would take a few minutes out. Everybody's busy, and it just means a lot that you would take a few minutes out of your busy day to watch me open cards. Simple as that. It means a lot. So thanks everybody. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I've got so much stuff, exciting stuff coming up. And I'll probably do another giveaway soon, so go ahead, but you gotta be subscribed, so go ahead and do that if you haven't already, and I'll make sure that you're entered. Alright, that's it. Take care, everybody have a great night. Bye bye.